Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 8 mapping your way on page number 119. Make it bigger, make it smaller. Now children, here on this page we see three types of square kid are given. See children, here this is one type, this is second and this is third type of square kid given. Now children, here are some pictures drawn on 1 centimeter square grid. You have to try making the same pictures on the 2 centimeter square grid and also on the half centimeter grid. One picture is already done. Now children, first we will understand about 2 centimeter grid. Now children, first we will understand that when we say about 2 centimeter square grid, then we here say about the square. Means here we talk about the square children. Here about one square we here talk about, and the square will be about, here in this grid each square will be about 2 centimeter, having sides 2 centimeter each. Understood children? 2 centimeter square grid means what? Here in this grid it means what? Each square will have side 2 centimeter each. Now children, here this is 1 centimeter square grid, this is half centimeter square grid, and this is 2 centimeter square grid. Now children, the first picture of Diya is drawn for you. Here you can see on the page that here it is shown on 1 centimeter grid, then again if you see it on half centimeter grid, and if you see it on 2 centimeter grid children, you will find the difference in the size of Diya. Here if it is drawn on half centimeter of grid, it is becoming smaller because 1 centimeter is becoming now half centimeter, and if same Diya is drawn here on 2 centimeter grid, then it is becoming bigger in size. Okay children, then again you have to draw the same picture of leaf here on half centimeter grid, and the leaf picture should be drawn here on 2 centimeter grid. Children, you will find again the difference. Again same you have to do with the picture of car. Here you can see here I have drawn here on half centimeter square grid, and the same picture is drawn here on 2 centimeter square grid. Now children, here there is one question asked to you. The side of the square was made 2 times bigger. Does its area also becomes 2 times bigger? So children, we will understand this question. Now children, the question asked to us was, if the side of the square is made 2 times bigger, then what can you say about its area? What happens to its area? Does it becomes 2 times bigger? Now children, here I have given you a very simple example. Now here you can see in one square children, the side of the square is 1 centimeter, and then children in second picture you can see the side of the square is made 2 times bigger, means 1 is becoming 2 times. Isn't it children? Now children, now here we will find the area of this square having side 1 centimeter. Now children, area of this square will become what children? What is the formula for the area of a square? Yes, side into side. Now children, what is the measurement of side here? 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that will become 1 centimeter square. Okay children. Now children, if we change the side to 2 centimeter, that is 2 times bigger if we make, then what will be the area? Let's find out the area of this square now. Area of square here will be again side into side, and it will become 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter is equal to 4 centimeters square. Now children, we saw here that if we change the side from 1 centimeter to say 2 centimeter, the area changed how many times children? 4 times. It means what children? If the side is changed from 1, if it is made 2 times, then the area is becoming here 1 time is becoming, here it is 1 centimeter square and here it is becoming 4 centimeter square. It means children that the area is becoming 4 times bigger. So children, we will write here the answer. The side of the square if made 2 times bigger, then its area is becoming 4 times bigger. Okay children? Now children, let's come to page number 120. Now try this. This is the part of the parade route map 3. This is the part of the parade route map 3 children. And children, they are, first part is, can you see which part of the route map it is? Now children, we will come to page number 115 where we see map 3. Now children, they have asked you which part of the map it is. See children, here the picture shown there is of this part. Now second question is, now children, try to make it bigger in this 2 centimeter grid. Remember that the shape of the map should not change. So children, the similar route you have to draw in 2 centimeter grid, and you have to take care that the shape of the map should not change. Now children, we have to make this route on this 2 centimeter square grid. Now children, here I have completed this one square. So similarly, you have to complete the remaining square. Take care that the shape of the map should not be changed. Okay children, one square you have to complete, and in this manner you have to complete this map in 2 centimeter grid. Now children, the third question is, if the parade route map is smaller and the distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter, what would be its scale? Now children, coming to the third part, if the parade route map is smaller and the distance between the India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter, what would be its scale? Children, we know that the distance between Vijay Chowk and India Gate is 2 kilometer. That is fixed children. That is not going to change. Even if the scales are becoming smaller or longer on map, but the actual distance between Vijay Chowk and India Gate is 2 kilometer. Now children, what they are saying, if the parade route map is smaller and if the distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter, what would be its scale? Now children, what would be its scale if it becoming 2 centimeter? Now here, if it is becoming 2 centimeter, what can you say about its scale children? We can say that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. If the distance on the map between Vijay Chowk and India Gate is 2 centimeter, means its scale is what children? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, because 2 centimeter will be 2 kilometer. So children, here 1 centimeter on map will be 1 kilometer on ground. Understood children? Children, this shows us that if we are showing any path or road on the map and its actual area, even if it on map it is smaller children, then its actual area will be quite bigger than shown on the map. The concept they are trying to explain us here children is that when we change the grid, the actual size of the object changes. See children, if it is here represented on 1 centimeter grid, it is looking smaller. If it is represented on 2 centimeter grid, its shape changes or it becomes bigger in size as the grid becomes bigger. It means what children? Even if the things or path are seeing smaller on map, but its actual area will be quite bigger and then that's shown on the map. Now children, dances from different state. The children saw many floats, that is jhalkis and dances in the parade. Children, you know that on Republic Day we see many jhalkis on in the parade. Now children, here one girl is saying dancers from Karnataka were the best. All these peoples have to travel so much to come to Delhi because Karnataka is very far from Delhi. So she is telling that these people have to travel so much to come to Delhi. Then this boy is saying, I like the Tripura dance from Tripura and Sikkim. They have to travel far. But Haryana and Uttarakhand are closer to Delhi. So children, here they are talking about the states that are very closer to Delhi and about the states that are very far away from Delhi. So this is the topic that we are going to discuss on page number 121 that we will see in the next video. Till then, bye children, have a nice time.